Today, we're comparing three high-end robot vacuums that each promise hands-free intelligent cleaning: the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete, the Roborock Saros 10R, and the Dreame X50 Ultra. All three deliver strong suction, advanced navigation, and self-cleaning base stations. But once you dig into the details, there are some big differences that set them apart. Special thanks to MOVA for sponsoring today's video. Let's start with what these three have in common. Each model can climb obstacles, lift its main brush to prevent dirt transfer, and use dual round mop pads for simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. They all include mop pad detection and mop extension, allowing the pads to reach out towards corners and edges for a more complete clean. Battery life is consistent across the board with the 6400 mAh battery capacity, and each one includes onboard voice control, so you can start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands. Now moving into the differences, and this is where the gap between them starts to show. When it comes to obstacle climbing, both the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete and the Dreame X50 Ultra use 60mm wheels capable of climbing a single step up to 4.2 centimeters high. The Roborock Saros 10R handles climbing differently, using a 4cm base plate lift, which combines a 3cm lift mechanism plus an additional centimeter from its base structure. In real-world terms, all three can handle door thresholds and transitions easily, but MOVA and Dreame technically edge out a bit higher, which could make a difference for you. For obstacle recognition, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete stands far ahead, identifying over 200 different obstacle types. By comparison, the Roborock Saros 10R detects 62, and the Dreame X50 Ultra recognizes 108. That means MOVA's navigation and object detection are designed to handle a broader range of scenarios, from everyday furniture to smaller objects scattered around the home. Next up, let's talk about suction power. Here, the MOVA V50 Ultra again leads the way, delivering 24,000 pascals of suction, the strongest of the three. The Dreame X50 Ultra follows with 20,000 pascals, and the Roborock Saros 10R rounds it out at 19,000 pascals. While all three are powerful, the MOVA's suction level is especially useful for thick carpets or homes with pets that shed heavily. Now on to the mopping systems, which are all quite different. The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete includes an auto refill cleaning solution system that uses dual tanks, one 400 milliliters and the other 200 milliliters. That means it can automatically dispense two types of cleaning solution during mopping without you having to refill it manually. Neither the Roborock nor the Dreame includes a dual solution tank. Another big difference is mop rotation speed. The MOVA's dual mop pads spin at 260 rotations per minute, while both the Roborock and Dreame rotate at 200 RPM. That faster spin speed gives MOVA an edge for scrubbing up tougher stains or sticky messes. When we look at the cleaning station, MOVA once again has the most complete setup. It uses an all-in-one spray and wash dry system with automatic cleaning. Both the Roborock Saros 10R and the Dreame X50 Ultra instead rely on agitation cleaning, which is effective but less thorough than MOVA's multi-step spray wash and dry process. The hot air drying temperature also varies among them. MOVA dries at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, Roborock at 131, and Dreame at 113. That higher temperature on MOVA not only dries faster, but also helps reduce bacteria growth and mop odors between cleanings. And speaking of drying, only the MOVA V50 Ultra offers rapid mop drying, completing the process in about 1 hour. It's also the only model with full dust bag hot air drying, which keeps the base station cleaner and odor-free after longer use. As for dust collection capacity, both the MOVA and the Dreame have a 3.2 liter dust bag, while Roborock's dock is slightly smaller at 2.7 liters. That means MOVA and Dreame will go a little longer between emptying cycles. To sum things up, all three models share core features like dual mop pads, brush lifting, obstacle climbing, and solid battery performance. But the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete pushes ahead in nearly every measurable category: higher suction power, faster mop rotation, hotter drying temperatures, and more advanced dock automation. The Roborock Saros 10R stands out for its mechanical lift design and solid overall performance, while the Dreame X50 Ultra offers similar cleaning results, but with slightly lower suction and drying power. In short, MOVA leads in raw performance and convenience, Roborock focuses on innovative engineering, and Dreame balances capability with simplicity. All three are top-tier options, but depending on your priorities, one may fit your home better than the others.